Welcome to Kingdom Cash, where we empower believers to thrive financially in alignment with their faith. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of financial abundance while staying true to your Christian values? You're in the right place. At Kingdom Cash, we're dedicated to sharing practical tips, inspirational stories, and biblical principles to help you succeed in your side hustle journey. Join us as we explore side hustle ideas inspired by faith and integrity, entrepreneurial insights from a Christian perspective, stories of believers who have found success in the world of side gigs, practical tips for managing your money wisely and achieving your financial goals. Whether you want to earn extra income, start your own business, or achieve financial freedom, Kingdom Cash is your trusted guide on the path to prosperity. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Let's build wealth, honor God, and positively impact the world together. Join the Kingdom Cash community today and start your journey to financial abundance, the Kingdom way. Have you ever considered turning your love for dogs into a profitable side hustle? Imagine this, a dog walking business. It's a simple concept yet highly lucrative. As our lives become busier, the demand for dog walking services is on the rise, offering a potential for significant earnings. It's more than just a way to make ends meet. It's an opportunity to marry passion and profit. Now let's delve into the details of how you can start your own dog walking business. Starting a dog walking business is not as complicated as you might think. It's like embarking on a journey. You just need to know the right path to follow, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, you need to do your market research. Look around your neighborhood and identify potential customers. Are there many dog owners? Are they often busy and in need of dog walking services? These are the questions you need to answer. Remember, your business is like a seed and market research is the fertile soil it needs to grow. Next, you'll need to set up your business structure. Will you be a sole proprietor or form a limited liability company? This is an important decision as it will impact your taxes and liability. Consider seeking advice from a trusted professional or mentor to make the best choice for your situation. Now let's talk about pricing. Determine how much you will charge for your services. This should be based on factors such as the time spent walking each dog, the number of dogs, and the local market rates. Be fair and competitive, but also ensure your pricing covers your costs and allows for a reasonable profit. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to shine a spotlight on your business. Marketing and advertising are crucial in spreading the word about your services. You can start by creating flyers, setting up a website, or using social media to reach potential clients. Remember, every great business started with a single customer. Lastly, but certainly not least, ensure you obtain any necessary licenses and insurances. This will protect you and your business from potential legal issues and shows your clients that you are a professional. These steps might seem overwhelming, but remember the wisdom of Proverbs 14:23. All hard work brings a profit, but mere talk leads only to poverty. Your determination and faith will guide you through this journey. With these steps, you are well on your way to launching your own dog walking business. As a Christian, how does entrepreneurship align with your faith? In the Bible, there are numerous examples of entrepreneurship. Jesus himself was a carpenter before his ministry began, demonstrating that there is nobility and honor in work. The parable of the talents in the book of Matthew further illustrates the importance of using our God-given abilities and resources wisely, just as an entrepreneur would. In Proverbs, we see the value of hard work and integrity. Proverbs 22 verse 29 says, "Do you see a man skillful in his work? He will stand before kings. He will not stand before obscure men." This verse encourages us to excel in our work, just as an entrepreneur strives to excel in their business. But perhaps the most important principle for a Christian entrepreneur is service to others. In Mark 10 verse 45, Jesus says, "For even the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve, and to give his life as a ransom for many." As entrepreneurs, we can reflect this principle by creating businesses that serve our communities, that meet needs, and that make a positive difference. Entrepreneurship, from a Christian perspective, isn't just about profit. It's about using the gifts God has given us to serve others and make the world a better place. This is the essence of Christian entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship, when viewed through a Christian lens, can be a way of serving God and your community. So, can your love for dogs really turn into a lucrative side hustle? Absolutely. We've just taken a journey through understanding the potential of a dog walking business, the steps to launch it, and how it aligns with Christian values. Imagine, your For These Wonderful Creatures could not only provide a valuable service to your community, but also be your source of income. It's a win-win situation. This venture is more than a business. It's a calling where your love for dogs intersects with your desire to serve others. It's a prime example of the biblical principle: whatever your hand finds to do, do it with all your might. But remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, hard work, and a genuine love for what you do. Just as the Apostle Paul was a tent maker, your passion can fuel your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, with faith, passion, and hard work, you can your love for dogs into a successful venture that serves both your community and God. Don't forget to let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey today. We hope that you found value in this exploration of turning your passion into profit. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. As we part ways today, remember this: with faith and hard work, you can indeed turn your passion into profit. Thank you for watching, and until next time, God bless you all.